Thanks to ING Plus deals, you can earn back money on your purchases. ING has negotiated exclusive deals with various great brands. You can choose from a broad selection of discounts on everyday expenses. New deals and new brands will be added regularly, so take a look from time to time. Would you like to enjoy even more benefits? Then choose for the personalized deals on top of the general discounts that are available to everyone. And since protecting your personal data is a given at ING, it will never be shared, not even with participating brands. How to take advantage of this? Choose for ING Plus deals in the menu of the ING Smart Banking app. There you can activate one or more ING Plus deals. Some deals are only valid online and others only in a real shop. But you can redeem many discounts both ways. Pay the full amount via your ING account, ING Bank, or credit card to enjoy the discount. The discounts are calculated automatically and are refunded usually in the month following your purchase. Easy as 1, 2, 3. You don't need to provide any additional information, cut coupons, or remember codes. Go to the ING Smart Banking app and find out how much money you can get back.